This past year has been a journey, not just across tracks and trails, but behind the lens too. Some trips were recorded, others lived and learned from. Hours have been spent figuring out what works, what doesn't, and slowly piecing together how to tell a good story from behind the wheel. Now, it's time to share that story. Peter's first official trip takes us deep into Victoria's big desert country. The original plan? Reach the pink lakes at Murray sunset. But like all good adventures, the route had a mind of its own. Instead, Peter and his crew found themselves at Lake Lascelles and decided to stay a while. What followed was a few days of beautiful sunsets, spectacular scenery, dry lakes, and exploring the unexpected. This is challenge accepted, and this is where it begins.
Bener-bener. Oh, bener. Yeah, we saw that.
In the heart of the big desert, where red dirt and scrub stretch for miles, Peter and his crew stumbled on something that felt completely out of place, yet absolutely magical. Snowdrift. A brilliant white sand dune rising out of nowhere, like a misplaced piece of coastal paradise dropped in the middle of the bush. It's one of those sights that makes you stop, stare, and just soak it in. A reminder that Australia still has a few surprises up its sleeve.
You're spot on, Louis. My tire pressures are way too high.
Or a flat, Mana?
You're just stuck because we have to do this right now.
As Peter and the crew make their way out of Wyperfeld National Park, they wrap up what was a day full of firsts. Peter's first time tackling soft sand, spotting kangaroos bouncing across the open flats, and of course, Gunther not airing down his tire pressures and getting bogged. It's days like this that is a reminder why they enjoy exploring, the challenges, the unexpected moments, and the mateship along the way. And with only day one behind them, there's still plenty more ahead. This adventure's just getting started. This is challenge accepted.